Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continued differentiability case and previous year questions. Okay, now explain question number 1 from 2012. So y is equal to e to the power log of 1 plus x square plus up to infinity. Then we have to find dy by dx. This is in the form of a to the power log m base a. This will be m. Therefore, y is equal to e to the power log of 1 plus x square plus so on up to infinity base e. This can be written as 1 plus x square plus up to infinity. This is infinite gp. Infinite gp. In this common ratio, first term is 1, common ratio is x. This formula s infinity equal to a by 1 minus r. So y is equal to 1 by 1 minus, where r placed in right x. This is y. But our target is dy by dx. So now derivative, now applying derivative on both sides. Derivative dy by dx, this will be derivative of d by dx of 1 by 1 minus x. So derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square, and so derivative of 1 minus x, derivative of 1 minus x, this will be minus 1. So answer will be 1 by 1 minus x whole square. Second option correct. Let us go to the next problem. So this is also from 2012. So m sin inverse x equal to log y given. Then we have to find 1 minus x square into y double dash minus xy dash. Okay, now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. M constant, derivative of sin inverse x. This will be 1 by root 1 minus x square. Okay, so derivative of log y 1 by y into, so differentiation of y dash dy by dx. Okay, by cross product this will be my is equal to y dash into root 1 minus x square. Now squaring on both sides. This will be m square y square equal to y dash whole square into, this root get cancelled, 1 minus x square. Okay, derivative, now derivative on both sides with respect to x. So on left side m square constant. So differentiation of y square, we get 2y y dash. So differentiation of y square 2y, but y differentiation y dash. So by using UV formula on right side, so y dash whole square into d by dx of 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x square into d by dx of y dash whole square. Okay, so m square into 2y into y dash, this will be, so y dash whole square 1 minus x square, derivative of 1 minus x square, derivative of 1 0, and x square derivative 2x plus 1 minus x square into derivative of y dash whole square 2y dash, but y dash is derivative of y dash is y double dash. On both sides 2 y dash get cancelled, 2 y dash. Therefore m square y is equal to, this will be minus xy dash plus 1 minus x square into y double dash. This is required. So what is the answer? M square y. First option correct. Let us go to the next problem. So this is from 2012. Limit x tends to 0, x into 2 power x minus x, this whole divided by 1 minus cos x. Okay. Put x place in 0. 0 into anything 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus cos 0. So 1 minus cos 0 value 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 by 0, this is undefined form. The two methods are there. So first method is by using L'Hopital rule, and second method is direct method. So limit x tends to 0. In this 1x take out common, 2 power x minus 1, this whole divided by 1 minus cos x. We have one formula, limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x. This formula is log a. Okay. Next, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x, 1 minus kx by 1 minus cos kx by x square. This will be k square by 2. So now limit x tends to 0, x into 2 power x minus 1. So 1x divided multiply, and a denominator limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x. So denominator 1 x square divided and multiply. Why? Because this is the 2 power x minus 1 by x. We have formula log 2. So denominator limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. This formula we have k square by 2, where k value 1 in this one, 1 by 2 this is. In this x square, x get cancelled. This will be, so in numerator 2 power limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power x minus 1 by x. This is in the form of limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x, formula log a base c, log 2 base c. So in denominator limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. This will be k square by 2 formula, 1 square by 2, where k value 1. So this is equal to log 2 base c by 1 by 2. This is nothing but 2. 2 log 2 answer. So 2 log 2, option 1 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2012. So y function is given, then we have to find y dash of 0. This means dy by dx at x is equal to 0. Okay. So let us observe this y function. So what are denominator values? First one, 1 plus x square. This can be written as 1 plus, in this one x take out common, x into x plus 1. Okay, next denominator value x square plus 2x plus 3. So this can be written as 1 plus x square plus 2x plus 2. This is equal to 1 plus, these factors are x plus 1 into x plus 2. And so on. Nth term denominator values, nth term denominator x plus n minus 1 into x plus nx. So let us observe these points, these factors. So first factor x plus 1 into x, in second factor x plus 2 into x plus 1. Like nth term denominator is x plus n minus 1 into x plus nx. Okay, this continuation y is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 into x. This one, so this numerator 1 place in, we should write x plus 1 minus x. In second function, in numerator 1 place in, we should write x plus 2 minus of x plus 1. And last one is x plus n minus of x plus n minus 1. Okay. Therefore, so y is equal to, by using tan inverse of a minus b by a plus b, we have one formula, tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab. This will be tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. So tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab. This will be tan inverse of a minus b. Tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. Okay, next, this is also same. Tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab, tan inverse of x plus 2 minus tan inverse of x plus 1, plus and so on, plus this value, this is a, this is b, this is a b. Tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab, this will be tan inverse of x plus n minus tan inverse of x plus n minus 1. In this, tan inverse of x plus 1 get cancelled, tan inverse of x plus 2 get cancelled, and so on. Last term will be cancelled. Therefore, y is equal to tan inverse of x plus n minus tan inverse of x. So now derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y dy by dx equal to derivative of tan inverse of x plus n. This will be 1 by 1 plus x plus n whole square, and derivative of tan inverse x, this will be 1 by 1 plus x square. So what is our target? At x is equal to 0. This value will be 1 by 1 plus n square, 0 plus n square, minus this will be 1. Let us do LCM, 1 plus n square LCM, 1 plus n square LCM. After LCM, this value 1 minus 1 minus n square. Answer is minus n square by 1 plus n square. Option. Okay, option 4 correct. Minus n square by 1 plus n square. So option 4 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2012 question. F of x is equal to sine of integral part of pi square x plus cos of integral part of minus pi square x. Then we have to find f dash x. How can solve this problem? Okay, we know that pi value 3.14, pi square value 9.86, 3.14 whole square. Now we have to find integral part of pi square. This will be 9.86. Integral part of 9.86, this will be 9. In this integer value is 9. So now we have to find integral part of minus pi square. So this will be minus 9.86. Minus 9.86. So this will be minus 10 plus 0.14. In this integer value is minus 10. So therefore f of x is equal to sine of, so integral part of pi square value 9x plus cos of integral part of minus pi square value minus 10x. This would be sine 9x. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, cos 10x. So now derivative on both sides, f dash x is equal to derivative of sine 9x. So cos 9x into 9. Derivative of 9x is 9. Derivative of cos 10x minus sin 10x into 10. So 9 cos 9x minus 10 sin 10x. So second option correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2012. F of x values are given. If x not equal to 2, so f of x value x square minus of a plus 2 into x plus a by x minus 2. If x is equal to 2, f of x value 2, where f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2, then we have to find a. So what is given? F of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. So we have definition, limit of x tends to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2, where f of 2 value from statement, this value given 2. So limit x tends to 2. So f of x value write as it is x square minus of a plus 2 into x plus a by x minus 2. So this will be 2. So put x place into this denominator will be 0. So by using L'Hopital rule. So what is L'Hopital rule? We should apply derivative on numerator as well as denominator at the same time. Derivative of x square 2x, derivative of a plus 2 into x, a plus 2 constant, derivative of x1, constant derivative 0, by denominator x minus 2 derivative 1, this will be 2. Now put x place into this value will be 2 into 2 minus a minus 2, so minus a minus 2, this is equal to 2. So 4 minus 2, 2 minus a is equal to 2. Both side 2 get cancelled. A is equal to, okay, a value we got it 0. So option 2 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2011. So f of x values are given. If x not equal to 1, this value log x by x minus 1. If x equal to 1, f of x value k. Where f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1, then we have to find k. What is given? F of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. So now limit x tends to 1, f of x is equal to f of 1. This is the definition of continuity. So limit x tends to 1, where f of x value given log x by x minus 1. This will be f of 1. From statement f of 1 value k given. Put expression 1. This is log 1 0, 0 by 1 minus 1 0. This is 0 by 0 form. So by using LH property. So limit x tends to 1. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Denominator x minus 1 derivative 1 is equal to k. Now put expression 1. This value will be k is equal to 1. So third option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2011. The derivative of tan inverse sin x by 1 plus cos x with respect to tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x. The derivative of one function with respect to other function model this is. So we have the derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx. So let us take first function is y and second function is x. So let us take y is equal to tan inverse of sin x by 1 plus cos x. Okay, this will be, so tan inverse of, we have formula sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So denominator 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x we have formula 2 cos square x by 2. In this one 2 as well as cos x by 2 cancel. Cos x by 2 get cancelled. So this will be tan inverse of sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. This will going to be tan x by 2. So tan inverse of tan x by 2, this is nothing but x by 2. So what is this value? Y value. Okay. Now we have to find x value. So what is x value? X is equal to tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x. Cos x by 1 plus sin x. We have cos x by 1 plus sin x. So this formula is tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, continuation. So tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x, this will be tan pi by 4 minus x by 2, right? Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. So this will be, so tan inverse of tan theta, this will be theta pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan inverse of, we have one formula, tan inverse of tan theta equal to theta. Okay. Now our target is dy by dx. The derivative of y value, we got it x by 2. This whole divided by derivative of x value pi by 4 minus x by 2. So derivative of x by 2, 1 by 2 constant, derivative of x dx. In denominator, derivative of 5 by 4. 5 by 4 derivative 0, 45 constant. So minus x by 2 derivative minus 1 by 2 into dx. So 1 by 2 dx get cancelled. This will be minus 1. Option 2 correct. Okay, look at the next question. So this is from 2011 question. D by dx of cos square cot inverse of under root 2 plus x by 2 minus x. Okay, by using substitution method, let us take x is equal to 2 cos theta. X is equal to 2 cos theta. First, we have to find 2 plus x by 2 minus x value. So this value will be 2 plus 2 cos theta by 2 minus 2 cos theta. 2 take out common, 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. 1 2 get cancelled. We have 1 plus cos theta formula, 2 cos square theta by 2 by denominator 2 sin square theta by 2. So this will be root cot square theta by 2. So this is nothing but cot theta by 2. Cot theta by 2. So d by dx of cos square cot inverse, this value we got it cot theta by 2. Cot theta by 2. Now d by dx of cos square cot inverse of cot theta by 2 is nothing but theta by 2. So derivative of cos square theta by 2. So cos square theta by 2, we have 1 plus cos theta by 2. Cos square theta by 2 formula, 1 plus cos theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta by 2. So this will be d by dx of 1 plus, where cos theta value x, where cos theta value x by 2. Where cos theta is equal to x by 2. Therefore x by 2, this whole divided by 2. So derivative of this 1 by 2 constant. So differentiation of 1 0. Differentiation of x by 2 1 by 2. So this will be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, first option correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. What is given? This is from 2011 question. F of x is equal to sin square x by 1 plus cot x plus cos square x by 1 plus tan x. We have to find f dash of pi by 4. Okay, so let us do simplify this value. Sin square x by 1 plus, we have cot x formula, cos x by sin x plus cos square x by 1 plus this tan x formula, sin x by cos x. Now, so f of x is equal to, so let us do LCM. Sin x is LCM. So sin square x by sin x plus cos x, this whole divided by sin x. So in this LCM is also cos x, cos square x by cos x plus sin x in this whole divided by cos x. Okay, sin square x into sin x. This sin x multiply with sin square x. Sin cube x by sin x plus cos x plus in this cos cube x by cos x plus sin x. Okay, these two are like fractions, same LCM. What is LCM? Cos x plus sin x. On numerator, sin cube x plus cos cube x. Okay, f of x value, we got it sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin x plus cos x. So f of x is equal to, so by using a cube plus b cube, we have a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, where a and b values sin x and cos x, a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. This whole divided by sin x plus cos x. So where a place and write sin x and b place in cos x. Sin x plus cos x get cancelled. F of x is equal to sin square x plus cos square value 1 minus sin x cos x. 1 2 multiply and divide. So 1 minus 1 by 2 times of 2 sin x cos x value sin 2x. What is this value? F of x. But our target is f dash pi by 4. So now derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of f of x, we get f dash x. Derivative of 1, 0. Minus 1 by 2 constant. Derivative of sin 2x. Cos 2x. But derivative of 2x is 2. 1, 2 get cancelled. Therefore, f dash x is equal to minus cos 2x. So put x place in pi by 4. Therefore, f dash pi by 4 is required. Minus cos 2 into pi by 4. So this value will be minus cos 90. So cos 90 is 0. So third option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is also from 2011. So what is given? Cos inverse of y by b equal to n into log x by n. Okay. Cos inverse of y by b equal to n times of, so log x by n, by using log a by b formula. Log x minus log n. So what are options are given? So y1 combination options are given. So y1 means dy by dx. So now applying derivative with respect to x on both sides. The derivative of cos inverse of y by b. This will be minus 1 by root 1 minus y square by b square. The derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. Where x place in y by b. So minus 1 by root over 1 minus y square by b square into derivative of y by b. 1 by b constant. Differentiation of y, y1 is nothing but dy by dx. N into derivative of log x is 1 by x and derivative of log n, where n is constant, log n derivative 0. Okay. So minus y1 by, so let us do LCM b square minus y square by root b square is b into 1 by b. This will be n by x. 1b get cancelled. Okay, by cross product. Now this will be minus xy1 is equal to n times of this value. N times of root b square minus y square. Okay. This minus xy1 bring the right side. 0 is equal to xy1 plus n into root over b square minus y square. So this is option 2 correct. So let us go to the next problem. This is from 2011. Limit x tends to a. In numerator, denominator, both are root functions are given. Okay. So this type of problems by using rationalization method. So limit x tends to a. Let us do rationalization numerator as well as denominator. So denominator rationalization, root 3a plus x plus 2 into root x into root 3a plus x plus 2 into root x. And so numerator rationalization, root a plus 2x plus root 3x, this whole divided by root a plus 2x plus root 3x. Okay. Now by using a minus b into a plus b formula. In numerator also a minus b into a plus b formula. So limit x tends to a. So a minus b into a plus b formula, a square minus b square. So root a plus 2x whole square minus root 3x whole square. Okay. Next write this as it is. Root 3a plus x plus 2 into root x. So denominator also by using a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square root 3a plus x whole square minus 2 root x whole square. What is the next factor? Root a plus 2x plus root 3x. Okay. Okay. Limit x tends to a. So root square get cancelled. Root square get cancelled. This value will be a plus 2x minus 3x into, put x place in a, then this value, root 3a plus 2 into root a. This whole divided by, the root square cancel, this is 3a plus x minus 2 root x whole square, this is nothing but 4x. Now put x place in a plus 2a plus root 3a. Okay, in this limit extends to a, this is a minus x into root 4a. Root 4a value 2 into root a plus 2 into root a. This whole divided by denominator 3a minus 3x. X minus 4x minus 3x. In this 1 3 take out common, a minus x into this value root 3a plus root 3a. In this a minus x get cancelled. 2 root a plus 2 root a, this will be 4 root a. So denominator 3 times of root 3a plus root 3a, 2 into root 3a. Root 3 into root a. 1 root a get cancelled. 2 1 j 2 2 j cancel. This answer is 2 by 3 root 3. So option 4 correct. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. The remaining problems I will explain on next class.